There are two reasons we have disease. We've totally polluted our environment, which we are responsible for. Chemicals in the water and the air. We've made a disaster out of everything, thinking that science will fix it. The second reason we are short-lived is because many tens of thousands of years ago, a great group of extraterrestrials came here and said, "Oh my God, look at these people. They're humans and they have all these genetics, and they're incredibly powerful. We can never control them unless we take away 10 strands of their DNA out. Then we will be able to control them forever. They will never be able to evolve physically and spiritually at the same time." That's exactly what happened. We originally had 12 strands of DNA, 10 have been taken out of us as a race, tens and tens of thousands of years ago. This is the result. We all know it's there, we just don't know how to get there. According to the Andromedans, it's our physical form that's holding us back. Our physical form was manipulated to keep us as workers. Because of the changes that are going on here, and certain other influences which have not been made specific to me, our DNA is now apparently stretching, and a third strand of DNA is now being formed within us. It could be that we are tired of waiting and we're calling it down ourselves, just saying enough is enough. I understand there are some extraterrestrial influences doing that, as well as this new 12th density. It is stretching everyone's awareness and physical form so that we adapt to the new energies that are coming in. The result is the stretching of our DNA and a new strand being added. There will be a shedding of physical form, but no one really ever dies. Just take it one day at a time. The Andromedans would much prefer that we take responsibility for our own reality. They are very, very concerned about wanting to be our savior, especially with the connotations it has on our planet and in our consciousness. They simply do not want that role, whatsoever. Which is why certain information and certain energies are occurring that are bringing a lot of this awareness to light. People are starting to wake up and say, "Hey, what's going on?" Because, ultimately, if we do it ourselves, then we've all learned the lesson once and for all. If someone else comes in and does it for us, and it doesn't turn out, we have someone to blame, and we are not taking responsibility for it. Since the soul is eternal, we can create this all over again, if need be, if we don't get it right this time. My very small part is to help. That I get it and we all get it. I hope that we'd prefer not to have to deal with this anymore.